Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to verify your Kucoin account. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Kucoin account, which of course you have done right here. As you can see at the top of your screen says identity verification failed. So, and then that means I tried before and it didn't work. So let's go over it again. Top corner, you're going to find a few headings and subheadings. So head over to your account, we have your account initials, and then click on identity verification. So since mine failed, I can now, of course, I have the luxury of repeating the process to see if it's going to work. So I'm just gonna have to click on retry. If you've not started the process, you can see verify and then you start. So I'm not using the app, so click here, continue in browser. So here you're gonna have to add your select your issuing country. So click on this drop down menu to select your country. Mine is Nigeria, and then you have select ID type. So this is fast and review recommended, so you can actually choose your bank verification number, your passport or your ID card, which one. So let's say we go for ID card and then click on continue, and then in this page all you have to do here is to add your first name or your last name and then your identification number and click on continue. So the next step is to verify your face. So the process is designed to verify identity. All right, so if get your ID, your ID itself. All right, and then click on start because you're gonna be asked to take a picture of them. So how do you want to upload the details of your ID? Do you want to continue on mobile? Do you want to take photo using webcam, or do you want to upload the ID, like you can take a picture of it front and back and save it on this device, and so if you can upload the device, going to take it to your device, to your systems folder for you to select. But then I can just do take photo using webcam. So now it says front of ID card. All right, so you have to take a picture of this. So click on start. All right, so go ahead and click on the front of your ID card, and you have to, once you're done, so let's say that's the front of my ID, should click on this camera. So you see that this is not going to be accepted because that's not an ID. So click on confirm. Yay, so that's it. So if it's a valid ID, it's going to take a picture of it, and then the next step is to take a picture of the back of the ID. All right, so once you take a picture of the front, take a picture of the back, then the last step is to take a picture of yourself, just your face. So you're going to give it a frame for you to put your face in there. So once you have done that and all of the processes are successful, then you're going to be asked to wait a couple minutes for you to know if your verification status has been completely successful. So I'm just going to have to save and exit this. So here's how you can find if that has been successful. Head over to your account right here. So here under identity verification, when you see field, you're going to see verifying. So that verifying shows that they are reviewing the verification process. So if it is successful, you can come over here and then you're going to see verified. And then that's just the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, be good to go. I hope this tutorial helps you search.